If you've ever dreamt of seeing your name on the cover of a book, tune in to how I avoided these common mistakes and profited $17,000 in KDP. Let's take a deep dive into why so many authors struggle with KDP and how you can avoid these common pitfalls. Understanding these challenges and developing a strong strategic approach is essential if you want to succeed in the competitive world of self-publishing. One of the first and most significant challenges you will encounter on Amazon KDP is visibility. The sheer volume of books being published daily makes standing out a monumental task. Even though you've put hours, days, and months of hard work into creating your masterpiece, it could easily be buried under the millions of other titles that are also vying for attention. Amazon's algorithm is a key player here. While the algorithm is designed to recommend books based on various factors, such as sales history, reviews, and keyword relevance, new books, no matter how good they are, don't have an established sales record. So even with the best intentions, your book could be overlooked by potential readers. This presents the first crucial lesson: discoverability. If you want your book to be found, you need to be proactive about increasing its visibility. The cold truth is that just uploading your book to Amazon isn't enough. Without a solid marketing plan, the chances of it organically appearing in front of readers are slim. Achieving visibility is a game of strategy and persistence. Whether it's through optimizing your metadata, like keywords, book descriptions, and categories, or running promotions, you need to ensure that your book is discoverable in the crowded marketplace. It's important to know that visibility is not just about the book itself, but also about your presence as an author. The more you engage with your audience, the better your chances of making it in this competitive arena. Alongside visibility, one of the toughest aspects of self-publishing on KDP is the overwhelming responsibility of managing everything yourself. Traditional publishers offer a team of professionals to help with the editing, cover design, marketing, and distribution. But with KDP, you are the team. If you are new to the publishing world, this can quickly become an overwhelming and frustrating experience. While the idea of controlling every aspect of your book's journey is exciting, it's easy to get bogged down by the multitude of tasks that come with self-publishing. Editing is one of the most critical aspects of any book, yet many authors make the fatal mistake of neglecting this step. After all, you might feel that your writing is strong enough and that hiring an editor is an unnecessary expense. However, even the most seasoned writers need professional editors. Self-editing only gets you so far. A fresh set of eyes is essential to catch inconsistencies, errors, or awkward phrasing that you might miss. In fact, many readers won't give a book a second chance if it's riddled with mistakes. A poorly edited book reflects poorly on the author, and it can quickly turn off potential readers. So, if you want your book to succeed, investing in professional editing is a must. Along with editing, cover design plays a massive role in your book's success. When browsing for books, readers often do judge a book based on its cover, and a poorly designed cover can significantly impact a book's sales. Think of your cover as the first impression a reader has of your book. If it looks unprofessional or doesn't capture the essence of your book, chances are they'll scroll right past it. Hiring a professional designer to create an eye-catching cover that reflects your genre and story can make all the difference. A good cover grabs attention, sparks curiosity, and compels readers to click on your book. But even the most professionally edited book with a gorgeous cover won't sell if no one knows about it. Marketing is often where new authors make the biggest mistake. They assume that once their book is live on Amazon, sales will happen naturally. Unfortunately, this is far from the truth. The myth of passive income can be alluring, but the reality is that self-publishing success requires constant effort and a well-thought-out marketing strategy. Whether it's creating a website, building an email list, or engaging with readers on social media, marketing your book is essential to growing your readership and increasing sales. It's about connecting with your audience, offering value, and establishing your brand as an author. A key part of your marketing strategy is optimizing your book's metadata. These elements help Amazon's search algorithm categorize your book and recommend it to potential readers. Choosing the right categories and using the right keywords is crucial to improving your book's visibility. Research the best keywords for your genre, Look at the best-selling books in your category and make sure to include those keywords in your title, subtitle, and description. But don't overdo it. Amazon's algorithms are designed to detect keyword stuffing, and you want to create a natural, readable description that hooks potential readers. Another critical mistake many authors make is rushing the publishing process. In the excitement to get their book into the world, many authors skip essential steps, such as testing the formatting or reading through the final version of the manuscript. Ebooks and print books often require different formatting, and rushing through this can result in problems like broken links, inconsistent fonts, or errors that could frustrate readers. Additionally, some authors make the mistake of not ordering proof copies of their book before they publish it. You need to review a physical proof of your print book to ensure everything looks perfect before it goes live. Taking the time to ensure that your book is polished and professional will set it up for a much higher chance of success. Once your book is published, consider enrolling in KDP Select. This program offers several promotional tools, such as Kindle Unlimited, which allows readers to borrow your book as part of their subscription, and free book promotions, which can generate buzz around your title. While enrolling in KDP Select requires exclusivity on Amazon for 90 days, the benefits in terms of visibility and promotions often outweigh the drawbacks. Additionally, KDP Select's Kindle Countdown deals allow you to offer your book at a discounted price for a limited time, which can help generate more interest and boost sales. Don't forget, reviews can propel sales. Encouraging readers to leave reviews on Amazon is one of the most effective ways to increase your book's credibility and visibility. Positive reviews not only act as social proof, they can also improve your book's ranking on Amazon, making it more likely that other readers will discover it. However, getting reviews is a long-term effort. It's not just about asking for reviews, it's about engaging with readers, providing value, and building relationships that will last beyond one book launch. Building your author brand is another essential step in your self-publishing journey. Platforms like Amazon Author Central and Goodreads allow you to create a presence where readers can learn more about you and your books. Engage with readers, answer their questions, and share updates about your writing process. Consider running giveaways on Goodreads to generate interest, or use social media to connect with your audience on a deeper level. The more you build your profile and connect with readers, the more likely you are to generate repeat sales and attract new fans. Finally, it's important to be realistic about expectations. Achieving sustained success on KDP requires continuous effort, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't expect to become an overnight success. Instead, focus on the long-term journey. Understand that your first book may not be a bestseller, but each project is a learning experience. Success on Amazon KDP requires persistence, resilience, and a commitment to improving with each book you publish. In the end, while Amazon KDP offers immense opportunities for authors, it also requires a comprehensive and strategic approach to be successful. By investing time and effort into professional editing, design, marketing, and optimization, and by avoiding common mistakes like rushing the process or underestimating the importance of visibility and metadata, you can increase your chances of turning your literary dreams into a reality. The road to self-publishing success may be long and challenging, but with the right tools, strategies, and mindset, it's a road worth traveling. Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on KDP. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.